That's not the bark.
Red lights, what they often do for yeah, I've got it there. Then there's Just sticking his head out of doing nothing sleep. Did you get that done? This is one nice standing. Two, stop with one. Right there from the other. Feeding them.
It's got that civilized one.
Yeah.
The left, the right, these nuts.
Yeah.
All of 5 being put on the front end.
Yeah. Orange bill and orange.
Gone into the middle. The edge of those hooks. Oh, not.
As well as the big
Look at us, what is it then?
I've not seen any others.
Yeah. We've seen them on the telly.
I'm not bothered about them, but I'm covering me. I'll be covering my niece's eyes.
It's difficult when you tell you what you haven't seen.
Yeah.
Go in the supply line, do you?
Yeah.
See the black-headed gull, go behind it.
Yeah.
And there's a rook there.
That was on the exhibit of 50 birds on the
It's a male and some of them. Once you're around here,
Playing, look, common ratio.
yeah.
That's why I was doing that before.
Yeah.
You can see the bartail. Can you see where all the knot are? Don't come to the front of the knot. You've got one bird by itself, just in front. And then just behind it, that's the bartail. It's got little scales. looking left, there's one moving around there. That's the there's one more.
Shows the difference in comparison, doesn't it? So
Yeah.
Yeah, but I've just seen it. On this near south of the horseshoe one.
Calidris.
No, I didn't take a picture. I didn't take a picture of me.
that's what I've just heard from some members of our group.
It's not even. I think that'll be too small for you.
You've never seen that then?
And very, very white, not speckled or anything.
I'm not looking at the knots.
Yeah, there's one now, it's looking at us, it's got a brown band coming on its chest. Behind, to the left, moving around. In the bay, it's really not the tidal